We are seeing the muscular tissue, and the last video we have seen the skeletal muscles or the voluntary muscles, or we can call them the striated muscles. Today we are going to see the another type of muscle which are present in our body. They are called the involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are also called the smooth muscles, or they are called the unstriated muscles. These muscles are present in our alimentary canal, in our digestive system, in our alimentary canal, in the uterus, where the baby grows inside the womb of the mother, garbhashaya. So in uterus it is present. It is present in our urinary bladder. These muscles are present in our blood vessels. So in these organs, in the iris of our eye, in all these organs, in all these parts of the body, the smooth muscles are there. What are smooth muscles? Why we call them involuntary muscles? The involuntary muscles means the working of these muscles is not in our control. We cannot control the activities of these muscles. Digestive system, the abdominal enlargement, pet dukhna, the cramps in the stomach, we cannot create the cramps. The cramps are automatically created. When the baby is growing inside the uterus, we cannot push the baby in the 7 months. It will take 9 months, and when the contraction of these muscles will be there, then the delivery will be there. So it is not in our control. So the movement of these muscles, they are involuntary, which are not in our control. These muscles are called the involuntary muscles. And we don't see the striations. The striations which we have seen in the striated muscles, dark and light bands. Here dark and light bands are not there. And that's why we call these muscles as a smooth muscles, because non-striated muscles are there or unstriated muscles are there, and they are called the smooth muscles, which are present in our alimentary canal, digestive tract. If you see the structure of these muscles are spindle shaped. This is one muscle fiber. Again, muscle cell which is elongated. That's why we call this cell as a muscle fiber. So this is one muscle cell. That means one muscle fiber. And again, if it is a cell, naturally the outer layer is a sarcolemma, the covering which contains a fluid, that is cytoplasm, which we call it, this is called sarcoplasm. In this, the nucleus is in the center. This is the main property, nucleus is in the center. In striated muscles, we have seen the nucleus is to the sides, periphery. And here also we find the fine thread-like structures, and these thread-like structures are called myofibrils. Striated muscles, we have seen they are cylindrical, but these are tapering at both ends. They are pointed at both ends, and in the central part they are enlarged. This is called a spindle shaped. So this is the smooth muscle fiber, and these myofibrils are made up of protein, actin and myosin. But striations are not there, and these striations, if they are not there, that's why we call them the unstriated muscles. And the working is involuntary, which is not in our control. So this is one muscle fiber or muscle cell. So this is one muscle cell, muscle fiber. This is another muscle cell. This is third muscle cell. This is fourth muscle cell. This is fifth muscle cell. And this collection of muscle cells, what it will form? The muscle. This is muscle. So muscle is made up of muscle fibers, and the muscle fiber is made up of myofibrils. Same is the case with the striated muscles. This is one muscle cell, this is another muscle cell, this is third muscle cell, this is fourth muscle cell, striations, 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 and this is muscle. And the muscle is made up of muscle fibers, and muscle fiber is made up of myofibrils. So these are the smooth muscles, and the working of these muscles is not in our control. So this is involuntary muscle where the food moves. If you see the peristalsis, when you eat the food passes through your alimentary canal with the help of the peristaltic movement. What is peristaltic movement? The digestive system through which the food is passing. The alternate contraction and relaxation of these muscles will be there, and the food will automatically flow down. This is called peristalsis, which is not in our control. Abdominal pain is not in our control. Urinary bladder का contraction हमारे इच्छा से नहीं होता, automatically it is done. So those muscles which work independently without your will, they are called the smooth muscles. They are called involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles, they are made up of cells which are called the muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are elongated, pointed at both ends. The outer covering wall is called sarcolemma. The fluid which is present is called sarcoplasm. The nucleus is in the center. It is made up of fine thread-like structures called myofibrils. These are present in uterus, alimentary canal, whole stomach, intestine, large intestine, small intestine, all they are made up of smooth muscles. They are present in our blood vessels. The high blood pressure, low blood vessels, they contract and relax automatically. If the blood pressure is increased, naturally the blood vessels will expand, and that is not in our control. Then urinary bladder is present in iris of the eye. Iris, the pupil which is present in our eye through which the light goes inside, and if you see the images, this pupil, here around this pupil there is an iris by which the pupil becomes small and large. तो हमारे आँख की जो पुतली है जिसको iris कहते हैं, iris का कम ज़्यादा होना, that is not in our control. If you go in a dark room, then automatically your iris will dilate to see the white things, and if you go in a bright light, iris will become small. So that movement is not in our control, automatically it is done. This is involuntary. The third type of muscle that we have to see is cardiac muscles. Third is a cardiac muscle. And cardiac muscles were cardiac, whenever the word cardiac comes, that is related with heart. That is called heart muscles. Because these muscles are present only in heart, nowhere else. So our heart is made up of specially these muscles, and that's why we call these heart muscles or cardiac muscles. These muscles, they show both the types of movements, or it is involuntary. The movement is involuntary. There is a rhythmic movement, rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation will be there. एक रिदम में कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और रिलैक्सेशन होता है हार्ट का, सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल. सिस्टोल मीन्स कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, डायस्टोल मीन्स रिलैक्सेशन. So that systole and diastole, that contraction and relaxation of the heart का जो pumping होता है, that is due to the cardiac muscles. So the working is involuntary. It starts by our birth, when the baby grows inside the womb, जहाँ zygote से embryo का formation होता है, वहाँ से heartbeat चालू हो जाती है, तो that continues till death. And these muscles, they do not show fatigue, no fatigue. थकवा नहीं, फटीग मीन्स थकान, थकवा. हार्ट थकता नहीं है, it starts and it ends. So these muscles, they are branched. They are branched and cylindrical. They show the properties of involuntary as well as voluntary. Means striated and unstriated. दोनों मसल का इसमें कॉम्बिनेशन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज हार्ट मसल and here this is another heart muscle, this is third, and these are the cells which are elongated and they are divided by means of the intercalated disc. ये पार्टीशन हो गया, ये सेल, दिस इज सेल and the nucleus is in the center. So this is the property of smooth muscle. न्यूक्लियस सेंटर में है तो स्मूथ मसल की प्रॉपर्टी आ गई. न्यूक्लियस 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 इन द सेंटर. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मायोफाइब्रिल्स, मायोफाइब्रिल्स, ओके, मायोफाइब्रिल, एक्टिन मायोसिन, एक्टिन मायोसिन, एक्टिन मायोसिन. And these muscles, they show striations, dark and light band, dark and light band, dark and light bands. अभी dark and light band, this is a property of unstriated muscle. Unstriated muscle का property आ गया, striated muscle का property आ गया, sorry, striated का property आ गया. That means voluntary muscle का property, and this is the property of involuntary muscle. So it shows the property of involuntary smooth muscle, nucleus is in the center and the dark and light bands are there, that is the property of striated muscle. So it is a combination of two, but one thing is there, these muscle fibers are connected to each other. So they are connected, they are connected, they are connected to each other. So they show connections, they are interconnected. So these muscle fibers, they are connected to each other, so they form the network, and these muscles are present in our heart. In heart there are three layers. Outer layer of the heart is epicardium, epicardium. The inner is endocardium, and the middle one is a myocardium. तो ये जो myocardium है, that is made up of heart muscles. So mainly in myocardium the heart muscles are there. So complete heart is made up of this type of tissue, that is called the cardiac muscles, and these muscles alternately, rhythmically, they contract and relax and they perform the working of the heart. Contraction is systole and relaxation is a diastole. So these are heart muscles. These are present only in heart. Striated muscles, which are skeletal muscles attached to bones, movement is voluntary. Involuntary, smooth muscles, unstriated, alimentary canal, the working is involuntary, not in control. Cardiac muscles or heart muscles branched, showing properties of striated as well as unstriated. The working is involuntary, rhythmic contraction and relaxation till death. This is heart muscle. So three types of muscles we have seen, and by this we see the muscular tissue.